She had just 1 hour to learn drawing. No experience, no talent. Just 60 minutes to turn a blank page into something recognizable. This is Mia. She hasn't drawn anything seriously in her life. And today, she is trying to learn one of the hardest creative skills from scratch. At the end of the hour, she has to finish a complete drawing. No excuses, no restarting. The clock starts now. Mia starts with basic sketching. Straight lines aren't straight. Circles don't look like circles. Everything feels harder than it looks. She decides to draw something simple, an eye. The shape looks wrong, the shading feels messy, and somehow it keeps getting worse. 30 minutes are gone, and the drawing still looks unfinished. She redraws the same lines again and again. This is where most people quit. Then she notices something. Every good drawing isn't perfect. They are built slowly, shape first, details later. Good drawings aren't perfect. So she starts simplifying lighter lines, cleaner shapes, less rushing. And for the first time, it actually starts to look like a drawing. 10 minutes left. She adds final shadows, fixes proportions, one last detail. The hour is over. This is what she made. Is it professional? No. But compared to where she started, it's progress. 1 hour ago, she couldn't even draw a straight line. Now, she understands how artists begin. What should she try to learn in 1 hour next? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.